Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cannellini beans, and I've got some suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with cannellini beans. So if you're looking for some specific meal or recipe suggestions and ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Combine cannellini beans with balsamic vinegar, herbs of your choice. It could be basil, rosemary, and sage, and olive oil. Simple but delicious. Cannellini beans with basil and tomatoes. Cannellini beans with bay leaf and savory. Cannellini beans with beet greens and walnuts. Cannellini beans with bell peppers and garlic. Cannellini beans with chard, garlic, olive oil, rice, and vinegar. Cannellini beans with cilantro, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. Cannellini beans with garlic, olive oil, and pasta. Cannellini beans with garlic, herbs like sage and or thyme, and tomatoes. How about cannellini beans with some lemon and spinach? That would brighten it up. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.